Shifter cables. That's what we're doing today. We're gonna keep it short and simple for this intro. My name's tkirkmedia. Welcome to my channel. I K-swapped this Civic. I did an okay job at it, and we have some cables that need to be rerouted in order to get AC running, and we're gonna do that, and we're gonna work on it right now. Take a look at that, boys. Rerouted cables. Now we can start making progress on getting those components in and getting the dash in here.
Let it play, boy.
I want to point out a couple things here. I'm not getting the shots that I need to with the head strap, and nobody can film for me, which is totally fine. You can't really see it without really being in there. But this cable is one of your grounds. Do not forget this cable. Kind of plug this in, as well as all your harness stuff you want to have tidied up before you have the dash completely in. Also, in terms of securing points, there's one big guy in here in the center of the dash, and then we have two on the sides. This side, mine's like been deleted, I think. I don't know what happened to the bracket, so I just winging it again. You got this one, and then you have this is kind of like what the routing looks like for this cable here. It comes out that little guy there for the ace, or I believe that's for the temperature control, because everything else is on its own like switch. It's actually pretty cool for how old the car is. It has some cooler technology and well, not cooler, but better than what I've seen before. So that's kind of where I'm at with the install. But yeah, I wanted to point this out. This cable has to be plugged in, and then the AC cables, you want to plug those in. So if you're frantic right now, make sure you plug those in before you secure the dash. Also, on the glove box, There's this little, like, if you have it still, if you don't, it's cool. If not, it's cool too. But there's a, like, almost like a hydraulic thing that helps it go back up, or I don't know. It looks pretty cool and it still works, so I'm gonna put that back on. That goes there. These two here bolt down to the bottom of the dash, and that's what happens for the glove box install. So I'm not gonna be able to get those underneath shots for you on those, but we're gonna keep plugging away here.
Let's go, bitch.
It's looking good, boys. For what it is and how it turned out, check her out. The gaps are there. I'm not perfect. Still draining some glue. Still have some tidy up some stuff. But at the end of the day, the car's interior is getting a lot cleaner and really coming together. And something worth showing at some point where I can go just to a meet and not be so embarrassed of how dirty it is. This steering wheel's gotta go. I need a new quick release. Not sure that I'm going to flock this piece because it kind of matches the blue that's still currently there. And the back is obviously gross. We got the Michael Myers slash on the roof, so we got a ways to go on the interior, but man, does it look good with this dash in here now. So really like that. Really like how it turned out. I don't know if you can see it. You can't really see it through there, but let's just get, look at that, man. Definitely would have went with more glue, but you know, it's my first dash I've done flocking it. And HVAC's back in. I'm on my way to getting AC and heat, boys. So that is something. Enjoy. If you like the content, you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, comment below, like me, hit me up on Instagram. We got more stuff to do. tkirkmedia signing off.